Come test drive the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, steel wheels, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate zones. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.